Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to come on here really quickly and do an unboxing of the Fawn Design honey. I'm really excited to see the honey in person finally because I've been seeing a lot of pictures online, and in a lot of those pictures I feel like the bag looks really tan. And I know it's maybe because of lighting and all that stuff, but I don't know. I just wanted to see it for myself finally, to see if it's actually like a mustard yellow or if it's just a tan color bag. I don't know, we'll see. So I got the mini size. I figured the full size would be a little bit too large, especially with the matte leather. It's a lot thinner, it's roomier, so I figured the full size would be too big. So I got the mini. So it's right here. Oh snap. So there it is. I am filming in natural lighting and this is what it's looking like. It is darker than what I was expecting. I don't know, I was under the impression that those pictures just made it look darker and that in natural light it would be a little bit lighter, but I don't know. I do have two mustard yellow cardigan. I brought it here to compare to see the color difference. So this is my mustard yellow cardigan here. You guys can see the color difference between the two. I wish I had the brown mini to show you guys. I did have that, but I did sell it. I'm sorry I can't get the brown to compare for you guys, but you see the difference in my mustard yellow cardigan here and the honey color from Fawn. And this one is my daughter's mustard yellow cardigan compared to the bag. That looks, I don't know. This is gonna be really random, but I have a shoe here with me. It's a tan color shoe, just to compare next to the, okay. So it's not actually brown, but I don't know, it's just a lot darker than I had expected. And I did get another bag. I got a full-size bag in blush. I wanted to give the full size another try. I did a review on the full-size upgraded bag in Poppy. I'll leave that link down below. And I didn't enjoy that one too much. I did return it. It was just really heavy, but I thought I would give it another try. So I did get it in blush. I don't know if you guys want to see this. It was mostly a honey unboxing. I don't know. I guess I'll show you guys the blush anyway. So here's the blush. Holy crap, this pink is so pretty. So hopefully I'll like this better, giving it another try. Oh my gosh. This pink shade is so darling. Yeah, let me know your opinions and thoughts on this honey color. I originally had my heart set on the wine color. Like back in the spring, before they even announced fall colors, I was so set on wine. I just love red wine color. Somehow I ended up with honey, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think and let me know what color is your favorite from the fall collection. The navy looks really pretty too. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you guys watching, and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.